Hello students, welcome to the geography class. In the last video, we learned about India, its location and size. We shall continue with the chapter and so we shall learn about India and the world. Let us recall the largest countries based on their geographical area. The largest of all is Russia. The second largest country is Canada, followed by USA, China, Brazil, Australia, and our country India is the seventh largest in the world. India is located in the continent Asia, which is the largest continent of the world. Let us closely look at India and the world. The Indian landmass has a central location between the East and the West Asia. India is a southward extension of the Asian continent. The Trans-Indian Ocean routes which connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia provide a strategic central location to India. Students, look at the Deccan Peninsula. It protrudes into the Indian Ocean and it helps India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa and Europe from its western coast, while the Southeast and the East Asia can be connected from the eastern coast. No other country has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has, and indeed it is India's eminent position in the Indian Ocean which justifies the naming of an ocean after it. Students, as you have already learned, India's contacts with the world have continued through the ages, but her relationships through the land routes are much older than her maritime contacts. The various passes across the mountains in the north have provided passage to the ancient travelers, while the oceans restricted such interactions for a long time. These routes have contributed in the exchange of ideas and commodities since ancient times. The ideas of Upanishads and the Ramayana, the stories of Panchatantra, the Indian numerals and the decimal system thus could reach many parts of the world. The spices, muslin and other merchandise were taken from India to different countries. On the other hand, the influence of Greek sculpture and their architectural styles of dome from the West Asia can be seen in different parts of our country.